We'll start with the basics. Go ahead and dribble the ball through the markers. That should have you warmed up. Now, let's move into your shooting. Score 3 goals from the positions prepared for you. Excellent! You made that look easy. Now, let's switch from offense to defense. Steal the ball from the dummy. Well done. This time, tackle the dummy and take the ball. You handled that well. Now for the most important part. Your weapons. Try enabling your first weapon. You look eager to score. Try scoring from back here. Impressive. You made that look effortless. All that's left is your second weapon. Go ahead and try it on this ball. Nicely done. There's one more thing I need to see. When you're ready, try entering the flow state. There it is. Looks like you've got the basics now. Welcome to Locked.